Hi! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this REALME to a printer. First of all, access settings. Now you need to click on connected devices and from here choose connection preferences. Then click on printing and tap on default print service. If you want to, you can also click on add service over here and download the preferable one. For example, I have HP printer, so I will download this one and click on the back button twice. Now click on the service, I will go with that one, and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!